Hi there, I'm Simone Pine and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be going over how I decluttered and organized my bathroom. And if you're anything or if you're anyone like me, um, then I do enjoy to see how people can reorganize and and come up with systems or ways of making things look more organized and more streamlined and more clean. This has been a process for years. It doesn't matter how many times we've reorganized or we clean on a weekly basis our bathroom, it just ends up being cluttered. And maybe now that I have less here to deal with, maybe it's such a great time for me to take all of these products out and start fresh. New year, new me, new declutter, lighter. Maybe it's just like Douglas's law, where although Douglas's law relates to office, I think it's only office, but we can always apply it to this scenario, because the more space I noticed that I did have in my bathroom, the more I pretty much, or my whole family just takes over the space. The smaller the bathroom used to be, nothing was there, nothing was left out. But the more we have spaces, just the more that we have products, the more that we're being spread out. So I just think that sometimes just to bear that in mind and try to lighten everything a little bit is always a good way to go. So if that's something you want to see, let me know in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and stick around and let's go.
So here we go, and this is my very cluttered bathroom. There is stuff everywhere. My daughter is 11, and I can see a lot of things here that have been here since maybe a year after she was born. I sometimes don't even know where to start, but I think that look at this, even my husband's side is all over the place and is a hot mess also. And I've gotten to the point where I don't wear a lot of makeup. I don't have a lot of hair right now. So all that's in this cupboard is a lot of hair supply. A lot of hair supply. A lot. So maybe if I could take most of it out and get some spot in there to clear the counters. That's pretty much where I'm heading right now. I just need to see a light at the end of this tunnel that I can put my stuff in and know exactly where they are. And I'm able to just have a clean surface going forward. All right, so we're going to go right in there and dive right in and get started. All right, see you in a bit. All right, so here we go. I'm taking one last look at this cluttered bathroom and trying to figure out where exactly I'm going to start. So first things first, I think it's just best. Let's talk about this organizational unit first that I picked up at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's a two-tier system, and later on, I don't think I have it in here, but hubby had to make a cut in my under my bathroom sink so that the organizational unit could fit. So the best thing to do, I just thought it would be great just to take everything out. Of course, I'm going to be smelling it to make sure that they don't smell weird, or to see if they're still good, apart from looking at the expiration dates. Some of them were there for a while, like I thought, and it's just better to take all the products down and see what I have and start all over. Of course, I have a little visitor right there, and so I took everything out of the cupboard, everything, laid them out, wipe the cupboard down, wondering where to start, take all the things off the bathtub, pack them away into the crates, put everything in the center of the room, and then wiped it down And there I am trying to fit the pieces of the unit together. It has some little legs that I had to put on, and like I said, hubby was able to cut that pipe right there. And see, visitors all day, visitors. Still going through the crates, the box, the everything, just to make sure that I wipe it down and throw most of it out. All right, so check in again. Yeah, it's just a lot. And everything in the center of the room. Now to take off the rest of the things off the tub, and everything had to find a place. Everything was given a place. The shampoo went into the tub or in the shower, and all that was left on the bathroom, the tub sides were what was for the bath. So wiping it down with my method cleaner right there. And it would be great to have a tray, like a spa tray, to put these bath products on, just to keep them looking a little fancy. That would be nice. But there I am cleaning everything down, wiping everything down, and making sure that I only have what's necessary, bath salts, and my little tray right there. So there it is. We're finished with the cupboards. Wasn't too bad. I still have quite a bit of products in there, but I assure you it's just the essentials. See that little tier, it pulls out so I can get to the stuff in the back, and the bottom one pulls out as well because I stack them on top of each other, and it goes right in. So now I can see everything in the cupboard. And the tub looks great. Again, wish I had a little tier thing to put that on, so it looks really cute. Got to get rid of that broom. Yes, I'm just gonna have to put it away and get it every time I need it, just to keep everything looking clean or smooth. So there I have everything done. Somebody's taking another look right there, and I am going once more around the room. Hubby likes things on his cupboard, on his counter. I don't. I just like to have what I need, which is just my hand soap, my toothbrush, and that little container up top is what I usually have my toothpicks or my dental floss in. So there it is. Gonna shut it down, and I think that's it. So yeah, it took a while. If you don't know if you noticed during the shots, it's now dark outside, and yeah, it's done. All right, so talk to you in a bit. So here it is, the end result. And of course, we have another little visitor here. That's his spot. It doesn't matter if I'm in the shower or in the bathroom. And it looks pretty good. I'm just hoping that we can keep it this way and just keep the counters clear for easier cleaning and for finding everything easier at the tip of our fingers. All right, so there it is, decluttered, and it feels so good.
So if you want to see more videos like these, let me know in the comments, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for future notifications. Thanks, and bye-bye.